Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can add a background or background image or photo to your slides and presentations on Google Slides. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. So what you want to do, guys, is select the slide you would like to add the image to, like that one here. And I would like to add a background image and at the same time keep that text here and all these items in front and the image in the background. So this is how you can do it. First, click on Insert here at the top and select Image from that drop-down menu. And here to the right, select the location where you would like to upload your image or photo from, like Google Drive, Google Photos, or your computer or any other device. So let me upload that photo really quickly. And after that, adjust the size and position, for example, that it covers the entire space here, the entire slide, just like that. And in the last tab, head over to this section here, Arrange at the top. Make sure that your background image is selected and simply click on Order, and from the drop-down menu select Send to Back to make that picture, that image, your background image. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.